Hello everyone and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on contour maps will provide you with the necessary steps on creating contour maps into your project. The contour map tool creates a topographic map that portrays differences in elevation terrain by connecting points of equal elevation with contour lines or by coloring terrain according to varying altitudes. You can choose between the following: Global Contour Map. This will apply contour colors to the entire terrain and 3DML with dynamic place contour lines that provide coarse contours when zoomed out and detailed contours when zoomed in. Elevation labels appear only on the terrain and not on the 3DML. The other option is the Custom Contour Map. This is an advanced map in which parameters such as coverage area, contour palette, and contour line interval can be customized, and a contour map object is added to the project tree. Contour colors and lines are only applied to the terrain and not the 3DML layers. Now let us begin by going over where the Create Contour Map tool can be accessed. To access the Contour Map tool, on the ribbon menu, click on the Analysis tab. Then in the Terrain Analysis group, click on Contour Map. A contour map overlays the entire 3D window, but no contour map object is created in the project tree. Contour map can only be created as an object that appears in the project tree by creating a custom contour. To create a custom contour map, click the arrow next to the contour map, point to the custom contour map object, then click on one of the following options. Contour colors. This will apply different colors from the contour palette to each elevation level. Next is the contour lines. This will connect points of equal elevation with contour lines. And finally is the contour colors and lines. This will display both the contour lines and the contour colors. Once selected, the contour map property sheet is displayed. If you want to apply contour colors, lines only to terrain whose altitude is within a specific range, do the following. In the Minimum Max section, in the Use Min Max field, select Yes, then enter the value. Select the color you want to apply to all terrain and altitude values outside the set range. Then, in the Appearance section, in the Contour Palette field, select the color palette from the drop-down list. Next, in the Appearance section, in the Contour Lines color field, click Edit and select the contour line color. Then finally, in the Coverage Area field, select the coverage of the contour map. It's either rectangle or entire terrain. If you had selected rectangle, then in the 3D window, define your rectangle by clicking on the required locations on the terrain. Continue to edit the parameters on the contour map's property sheet. If you want to display a map legend that indicates which color represents each elevation value, right-click the contour map and select Show Legend from the shortcut menu. We went over how to toggle on and off contour map and how to create a new custom one. This concludes the tutorial on contour maps. For more information, refer to Chapter 14, Analysis tab in SIMmetry's user manual. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.